Hello, everyone, and good morning. Today, day 2 from the Art of Living Ashram. Beautiful day. Happy Independence Day. And today, I wanted to share a contemplation on the idea of independence, the idea of freedom. So, we are wishing everyone Happy Independence Day. But what is it really all about? What is the freedom that we are seeking? If you analyze, if you go deeply into it, it is freedom from the mind, freedom from ego, freedom from I, me, and mine. And that is, I, me, and mine is the cause of all the conflicts and all this, like if Britishers um, taking over, so many countries. That is because of I, me, mine. Having a sense of superiority, having a sense of that, oh, let's capture other countries. And so they ruled, right, so many countries, and then finally we got our independence. But that sense of I, me, and mine, if we don't get over it, every not only one country, like even today it's going on, right? So much uh, conflicts in the world, terrorists killing others because my God, what my God is saying is true, and what others are saying, any other God, if they are following, I can kill, right? And then uh, you can look at even small things like family matters. My like property comes in, two brothers, one poor brother says this is mine and takes away. Mahabharat, I, me, mine, everywhere. So today is the day to declare freedom, our own, and help others to get free. So, wishing you happy Freedom Day. Freedom. Be free. Be free from I, me, mine, and establish in self, in consciousness. Beautiful day here. We're gonna start the celebration shortly, and beautiful river. Nature is free. There is no I, me, mine in nature. No water doesn't say this is my and I will only flow here. Just flows. Air is everywhere, freely available for each and every one of us. The earth, providing freely. So let's get in tune with nature and let's establish in the sense of joy and happiness and peace which arises out of the sense of freedom. So let's just close our eyes for a few minutes and just contemplate deeply on that sense of freedom within. Free from the sense of I, free from the sense of me and mine, and just dissolving into this infinity, into the infinite consciousness that we are. There is no separation. Consciousness is one field of awareness. There is no I, my consciousness and your consciousness. It's a field of awareness in which all these different forms are bubbling. Some form calls itself Ankur, some form calls itself some other name. All the forms appearing in the vast infinite consciousness just to enjoy. Why does this appearance happen? To enjoy creation. The consciousness wants to enjoy, and that's why this divine play, it wants to enjoy as a bird, it wants to enjoy as a flower. So there is so much variety because consciousness loves diversity and God consciousness loves diversity. So there is so much diversity. Let's celebrate diversity and yet remain in that centeredness of the oneness which is within. Slowly, gently, let's open our eyes. Have a wonderful, wonderful Independence Freedom Day. Great. Thank you. Bye.